video for the final project of b58. In terms of what I've done in this project so far would be I finished everything from milestone 1 to milestone 3, and I was only able to add one feature for milestone 4. In terms of milestone 1, we have a 32 by 32 frame buffer, and we have entities on the screen that are at least 3 frame buffer units wide. And I just made it 3 by 3 because it's kind of convenient to do it that way. In terms of milestone 2, there's collision detection. Whenever the ship hits an asteroid, it turns red, and as well, we cannot move past the edges of the screen. We also finished milestone 3 because we have a health bar at the top of the screen, and we have the ability to reset the game by pressing P. As well, we have a game over screen that I think is quite funny, I guess, which we'll see later on. In terms of milestone 4, I just increased the difficulty of the game by simply making the asteroids move faster, and so we don't have as much time to react to the incoming objects as a player. And so now I'll just give a quick video demo of the game. And so we started, and so I'm able to move around the map using WSD. As you can see, if I press A, I cannot move to the left. And right now, as you can see, the game's going a lot faster. I can move up and down, and the whole point is to avoid these units. As you see, as time goes on, it gets faster and faster, and so it becomes more and more difficult to avoid these objects. And right now, yep, I got hit by the last one, and I ended the game. And as you can see, there's this frowny face that gets displayed when you end the game. Unfortunately, it kind of looks like a creeper face, which I guess is kind of appropriate because we have a ship metaphorically exploding, and so this represents the end of the game. This was a bit fast. I'll go back on it and to show some of the earlier steps, but on the very top part of the screen, there was a health bar that slowly went down as we hit these green blocks, which represent asteroids. And every single time we hit one, we decrease our health until obviously the game's over. And so I guess I'll just show a demo, and I'll try to move around the screen to show that I cannot move past the boundaries. As well, yeah, I think that should be valid as well. I'll show the reset button since we're halfway through, I guess. So reset this. Let's reset the screen, and let's play this game again. So reset. So as you see from the very top, there's a red bar which represents health. As over here, we cannot move down. And also, if you move to the right, we cannot move right. Whoopsies, I got hit by a blob asteroid there. Oh no. But yeah, as you can see, our health bar went down, and the game's over already. Let's reset this one more time. Reset again. Press play. And let's try to move up. One thing we'll notice is that once we hit top, we can move past the very top bar because that's where the health bar is. That's the space reserved for it. And so, yeah. So in terms of that case, we can avoid it. As you can see, we could avoid asteroids, move around the map just fine. Try not to hit it, and now it's super fast, and I'll eventually hit it. So press P, it restarts back to normal, back to stage 1. Everything gets reset. So if it goes really chaotic, we just press P, it'll pause for a brief second, and everything gets reset back to normal. And the pause was a design decision to show that the game gets restarted, so you have a moment to capture that, and then, oops, I got hit again. And so, holy, it's fast. And so, it will be more obvious to a user that that's what's going on. In terms of, I think that should be about it in terms of the game explanation. Yeah, and so I'll leave it there. We reset game, we'll finish all the relevant features. Everything for milestone 4 was finished. Unfortunately, I'm not able to finish all the features for milestone 4 because I have 5 exams coming up in next week. So, not next week, but in this exam season. And have several, I think 2 or 3 coming next week. So that's pretty rough. And so it's really not worth, spending that much time to get 1 or 2 extra marks for this project, unfortunately. Although if I had more time, I would definitely want to do so because this game is quite fun. Anyways, I'll leave it there.